Let us see the properties of acids. So first one, acids are sour in taste. All citrus fruits, lemon, orange and lime taste sour due to the presence of acids. This is one of the property of acids. Which one? So acids are sour in taste. And next one is acids are corrosive in nature. Corrosive means they are highly reactive. They react readily with metals. That is why they are never stored in metal or a plastic containers, because they are very much reactive with the metals. And you will find the acids kept in glass containers in your chemistry lab, right? So we store all these acids in a glass containers because the glass does not react with the acids. Next, acids are soluble in water. You know that. So when you dissolve an acid in a water, so that will become diluted, right? So acids are soluble in water. They release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Okay, they release hydrogen ions. H plus. Hydrogen means H. Ion means whether it will be having plus or minus. In general, when certain acids react with a metal, so they will produce hydrogen gas. Okay, suppose if iron is reacted with a hydrochloric acid, it will give so H2 gas. H2 gas will be liberated. Next, the aqueous solution of acids conduct electric current. Okay, so this aqueous solution, the liquid solution of acids conduct electric current, which means they act like a electrolytes. They act like a electrolyte. Electrolyte means a solution that helps to conduct the electric current. Next, acids react with the bases to form salt and water. So these acids when react with the bases, it will give salt. Okay, we'll give one example for this. Sodium chloride, it is a salt. How can we obtain this sodium chloride? So for acid, we have to take HCl, hydrochloric acid, when react with a sodium hydroxide, that is base. So we'll get a salt, that is sodium chloride, that is our common salt that we use it for our food, and it also releases the water. So acids react with the carbonates to form carbon dioxide, water and salt. Okay, when acids react with the carbonates to form carbon dioxide, water and salt. So these are the properties of acids. Let us see the uses of these acids. So acids present in fruits and vegetables are provided us with the essential acids required for our body. Okay, this help in the essential, it helps us to give essential acids and it is required for our body. And hydrochloric acid is the main component of our gastric juice. You have studied in the first chapter, right? So gastric juice, that is hydrochloric acid, and it is secreted in our stomach and it helps in the digestion. Next, acids are added to food as a preservatives. Preservatives means you can store the food for longer time when you add these acids. So acids are added to food as preservatives. So for example, acetic acid is put in a pickles to give it a sour flavor and for preservations. So even for gobis also, and even for pickles also, they'll add this vinegar. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ vinegar add ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ. So this vinegar is nothing but acetic acid. It is put in the pickles to give it a sour flavor and for preservation. You can preserve it for the longer time. And one more thing is acids acts as a rust remover. So steel used in the construction of buildings is treated with a acid before painting. Okay, acids acts as a rust remover. ಇದು rust ನ remove ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Steel is used in the construction of buildings. It is treated with the acids before painting. Before paint ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ, so these steels are so treated with the acids. Students, here there is one question. Can you think of a fruit which will help to make your old coins sparkle again? So which fruit you'll use? Lemon, right? Lemon can help to make your old coins sparkle again. So next one is sulfuric acid. So the sulfuric acid is used in a car batteries. Okay, car batteries ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ sulfuric acid ನ use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And acids such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid are used for manufacturing the fertilizers in agriculture. For the manufacture of urea, NPK, DAP, these kind of fertilizers, they'll use sulfuric acid and nitric acid, because you know that sulfuric acid, it contains sulfur and nitric acid contain nitrogen. These are the nutrients or elements which are necessary for the proper growth and development of a plant. So this hydrochloric acid, it is used as a cleaning agent. It is used in homes for cleaning sanitary waste, means toilets cleaning and even windows and the floors. Next, sulfuric acid, it is used in the manufacture of paints and dyes. Okay, ಈ sulfuric acid ನ manufacturing of paints and dyes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So these are all the uses of acids, so that we use in our daily life, right? So all these cleaning pay for painting, and even this acetic acid for storing pickles and all, and this, you know, this digestion, right? Gastric juice, it helps in the digestion, and some of the essential acids which are necessary for our body. And sulfuric acid, this is used in the car batteries and in the fertilizers, and it has a cleansing agent, and so these are used in the paints and dyes. These are the uses of acids, properties of acids. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.